YouTube. Man, oh man, it's been a little minute in it. Yeah, that's on me. That's definitely on me. I got lazy. But we back here. We got a trade breakdown today. So if you are not following me on Instagram, you need to at 100K. I'm trying to change that to something with Deem in it, but it's a little hard. But anyways, as of right now, it's 100K underscore. So if you're not following me, you need to follow me. But basically all last week, it's the 26th right now. But last week, I was in Japan. And man, I had me a good old time. But like all last week, I was trading out there. And I was actually I was hitting. Like I was getting $100, like 160 trades, 200 trades. Like I was actually hitting. And it's crazy because sometimes it feels like I win more when I'm not at the crib. Because when I was in the Rome, I made like $800 in like 3 days. But anyways, when I was in Rome, I was trading and I was like winning and stuff, but I didn't record nothing. I recorded no content for YouTube while I was out there. I was just vibing, me, my homeboy, and my girl. So I didn't get no content for you guys. And like I said, for the longest time, I didn't tell my girl that I was doing YouTube. I finally told her. So now I'm a little bit more open to do this stuff while she's here. But anyways, let me stop all this yapping. Today, 26, it's like Wednesday or something. I don't really know. But we caught a trade on gold. It was a nice little trade. It's not my typical setup, but I was peeping the market conditions and the way it was moving, it was like I had to. It was like I had to, man. So I'm gonna go ahead and break that down for you guys. But if you guys are new, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Well, you can comment, subscribe, and if you're not new. But yeah, we finna get in this motherfucker. Let's see. Heck yeah, it's a little new setup. I got me a little MacBook, so it's a new setup. So forgive me if you guys can't see nothing, but I hope you guys can. But anyways, so peep game. You got gold. It's on the 5-minute time frame, right? So this is during Asian session. I literally just won. But so typically I won't take no trade until 6 o'clock, 1800 my time, Central Time, right? So I was peeping the market. Typically I go on like the 15-minute and analyze like what the market's doing. So I can see it's kind of like in a bit of a consolidating range, like, but it's overall like bearish though. It's overall bearish. It came from up here, dropped down here, so it's overall bearish. So I'm like, okay, we could possibly look for some sales here. So I went back on the 5, and at first I seen this kind of like bullish movement right here. So I was like, okay, maybe, just maybe we got some buys. I had seen this zone right here. Ah, shoot, it's always acting up. I had seen this zone right here, but I didn't get in. I didn't get in on this zone. I had seen, actually, I think I did, because I entered 3 trades and the first 2 was at break even. So I think I did enter this trade and I seen this wick, right? And I seen it happen twice. As soon as I came up here, I put it underneath this wick, and then I seen it again, and then I put it at break even, and then it stopped me out. So I'm like, okay, cool. I see it break these lows, so now I'm looking for sales, right? I'm looking for sales. There's no real zone that hasn't already been tapped into. You see, there's this one right here. All right. So I see this huge imbalance right here, right? This huge imbalance. And I'm like, I've been looking at imbalances and these fair value gap trades. So like, let me take one. Like, it's really a good setup. Like, there's a breaker structure right here. There's a fair value gap right here. So I had entered the first trade. I had entered it when it came below this these wicks right here. So I entered right here and it dropped, and it was dropping. So I put my stop loss at break even, right? And it came and stopped me out, and it kind of like invalidated this whatever this is, demand zone. Heck yeah, it kind of like invalid this zone, but it left these huge wicks, right? These wicks were huge, and that's what I'm talking about. You have to pay attention to what the candles are doing. Like candlesticks, they talk. This is the language of the market. You have to pay attention. And it left these huge ass wicks. So I just assumed that it was coming to take out liquidity before dropping. So I re-entered, and it was like around the same entry that I had gotten over here. So I was like, okay, cool, no biggie. Stops. It took out this, so I just went above here. And then I targeted a 1 to 5, but I had seen it on my trading platform. It was tapping into demand zone. Yeah, or supply zone. No, this supply zone. This demand. It was tapping into a demand zone. So I was like, let me just go for the 1 to 4. It was like at 230, but I put my stop loss at like the 200, 215 range. And that's where it had taken me out. And look, it basically flooded straight to TP. And that's what I'm talking about. Like, that's like the power of supply and demand, imbalances, fair value gaps, or whatever you want to call it. Like, I use the moving average as like confluence per se. It's not really confluence because I don't use it as like, because it's there, I'm going to enter a trade. But it's kind of just like a guideline, just like, okay, I know I'm in the right direction if price is moving underneath it, if that makes sense. But yeah, so this trade on my trading platform banked me 200. And like I tell you guys all the time, this goes to show like the importance of risk to reward. Because before I was like on this winning streak, not even a winning streak because I still lose, but like I was losing like crazy. If you look at my trading platform, you'll see a bunch of red. It's probably like 3 to 4 times more red than there is green. But because, let me turn this computer back on. It probably turned off. Get my light back on. I'm not editing none of this out. But because I have a good risk reward and I'm able to, capitalize on those good trades and make $200 when I'm risking 50, or $100 when I'm risking 25, or things of that nature. I hope the mic got better. But things of that nature, it keeps me in a break-even / profitable state. And that's what I'm hoping to bring to you guys, risk to reward, and freak those 1 to 2s. At first, sure, 1 to 2s are good. But once you get into this, man, 1 to 2s, it's too hard to maintain. Of course, there are those anomalies, those people who can make profit and be profitable with 1 to 2s, 1 to 1s, shoot, 1 to 0.5s. I've seen it. But for me and for a lot of you people who are going to take a lot of trades and who are going to struggle with being patient and things of that nature, having a 1 to 3, 1 to 4 risk to reward ratio is going to be super beneficial. Gosh, dang, I know how to yap. Anyways, this is a little short video. I just want to push this one out here because I haven't posted in a long time. Also, I have a free trading course coming. It's going to be free. I want to teach you guys how I trade, what I look at in the markets, things of that nature. But I want to give you guys value before I start charging you for stuff. Nah, the only thing I will ever charge you guys for is me doing like live streams. I'm never going to do signals, but like you being a part of like a group or something like that, I'll definitely charge for that. But like information, because if y'all not going to learn it from me, y'all going to go learn it for somebody else for free on YouTube. So I'd rather y'all, come to my channel, learn something every time you watch. And even if it's not lifestyle, like going to the gym or reading your book every day or something like that, trading, something, just to get 1% better every day. Cause that's what you got to do, man. Just improve yourself. But yeah, the free trading course is coming. Debating if I just want to keep it on YouTube or put it on like Whoop or whatever that app is, WAP, whatever that app is called. But that's been the debate. I just have to go through and record. Also, if you guys are watching this video, I do need some type of input. If you guys would like longer 20 to 30 minute, 15 to 30 minute videos in this course, or like shorter 5 to 10 minute videos hitting a topic and then moving on to the next one. I think I'm leaning towards the 5 to 10 minute videos, but it just depends on what y'all want. But yeah, expect that trading course to come out within the next week or two. I want to get that out as quick as possible. Hopefully y'all can start sharing with y'all friends and whatnot. But yeah, man, look, off the dome, I just recorded 10-minute yap session. But hopefully all of this recorded. Like I said, it's a new setup. Hopefully the quality is good. But hey, if you haven't kissed your mom today, give her a kiss, tell her you love her, or your dad, whoever you're staying with. If whoever you have in your life, or your grandma, your uncle, tell somebody you love them, your girlfriend, your boyfriend, your whoever. Be grateful, be thankful, and I'm gonna catch y'all later.